Hello, it's Paul from Paint Medic. Today I have a Porsche Boxster in Meteor Grey. It has a minor scuff to the driver's side lower front bumper corner where it's picked up a small rock or hit a wall or something like that. So we'll be repairing this one today. So here we are, here's the car. Lovely Porsche Boxster, Meteor Grey. Only a minor bit of damage just under there. Well, that's it, that's what I'm repairing today. Right, so I've taken the damage back as far as I can. See some very deep scratches left in there. This has all been sanded right back as far as I can. We've got a split in that bit of trim there, so I'm going to have to put some resin in there to seal that up. The rest of it's going to need filling, smoothing off, undercoating and then respraying, etc. So it's going to take a few hours to do this. So here we are, scratches have all been taken out, all filled in, and that's the undercoat on there now. The bottom bit black trim we've got to do separately because obviously that's a completely different colour. So we'll get all this painted and lacquered and baked off now, and once that's done we can do the black trim underneath. So here we are, job's all finished. Deep scuff of scratches is all taken out, all back like new again. Paint's all blended in, seamless repair, just like new. So there we go, I hope you found that of interest. If you would like a quote, please do get in touch. All the contact details can be found on the website www.paintmedic.co.uk.